Okay guys, this is a food hack that I saw on YouTube and I want to try it to see if it actually works. I prepared them already. I washed the eggs, so you put your eggs in the boiling water. Oh. Okay, here goes. And the last thing, you put a slice of lemon. And the slice of lemon is actually supposed to make the eggshells get softer. So I'm gonna leave this running here for a while to see what happens. So okay, it's like 15 minutes has passed now. So let's see how my experiment came out. We'll go crack the eggs now and we will see. Okay, so let's see if it actually worked. So the lemon was supposed to make the shell softer, and believe me, I'm not an egg cracking expert. It's something I hate to do. I find it never cracks properly with me. And as you can see, it actually works. It actually works. It works really good. So my first egg experiment worked like a charm. Look, as you can see, I'm just knocking it with my finger and it's cracking. Still a little bit hot. I did run some cold water over it so I can show you guys. And nothing is sticking, you know, there is sometimes like a sheet. It's not sticking at all. So I got one more here to show you guys, and that's it. It really worked. Look, I can just knock it with my fingers, or my finger, sorry, and the shell is coming off very easily. So no more hassles. I will just, oh, it's pretty hot. Just gonna put a little slice of lemon in the water, and that's it. So I guess this hack worked. Thanks, bye.